Hello students, today we will start chapter 7. We need each other. So listen carefully. Man is a social animal. The members of a community cooperate with one another and share work and duties. We live together at home with our family members and in our neighborhoods with other residents. Most of us are lucky to have enough food to eat, good clothes to wear, and a better place to live in. But most of our needs are met because we are healthy physically and mentally. But unfortunately, some people are not so lucky. They may be poor, sick, or old. So, it is in giving that we receive true happiness, and we must help one another. Our first topic is caring for others. So, the best place to start caring for others is the area close to our home and schools. This is our community, and to save the community is the best human service. Next, caring for elders. It is a very common proverb. The charity begins at home. It means that whatever good work we want to do should be started from our own people. So, we should start caring for others from our homes. Most of us have old grandparents in the family. So, they have served a lot of us and love us very much. Now, it is our duty to care the elder people and spend time with them. Now, caring of the people in the old age home. In big cities, some old age homes are constructed and well maintained. The people of old age homes are the neglected ones from their own people. The children might have put them in these homes when they have become old and unable to work for themselves. Though people should prepare entertainment programs time to time to cheer the elderly people in the home. Now, caring for blinds. The power of vision is a very valuable and important gift of nature, but unluckily some people may lose these gifts. Such people want our love and care. So, they are amazed to see how fast the children in the blind school read books written in Braille who cannot see. Reading is done by feeling the raised dot, which form raised letters on the paper with the fingers. Helen Keller was a successful writer and scholar, even though she was also deaf and dumb. Caring of the orphanages. Orphans are children who have lost their parents and seek no protection from any other relation. People collect a hamper of jams, pickles, sausages, etc. for the children at the orphanage. Caring for the physically challenged. Physically challenged people are those who cannot use their arms and legs and the other body parts to do the normal things. Government has arranged the institute for the physically challenged people and children. People have these people with many important things such as wheelchair and pair of crutches, and people who care for others who are in need in one way or other do a wonderful job of their projects or community service. So, points to remember: man is a social animal. Most of us have old grandparents in our family. In big cities, some old age homes are constructed and well maintained. The power of vision is a very valuable and important gift of nature. Orphans are children who have lost their parents and seek no protection from any other relation. Physically challenged people are those who cannot use their arms, legs, and other body parts to do normal things.